Have you ever wondered what's going on behind the scenes of your Acorns account? You're setting up those roundups, making your recurring investments, but what are you actually investing in? That's where Acorns portfolios come in. They're the expert-built strategies that take your small investments and put them to work. And understanding them is the key to knowing if you're on the right path for your financial goals. Acorns keeps it simple with a handful of core portfolios that you'll be recommended based on your profile, things like your age, income, and financial goals. These portfolios are a mix of different exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, which are basically like a basket of various stocks and bonds. Let's break down the main ones. First up, the conservative portfolio. This is for the cautious investor. If you have a shorter time horizon or just don't like a lot of risk, this might be for you. It's almost entirely made up of bonds. Bonds are essentially loans to a company or a government, and they're generally less volatile than stocks. This portfolio focuses on stability and capital preservation over aggressive growth. On the other end of the spectrum, we have the aggressive portfolio. This one is all in on stocks. Acorns' aggressive portfolio is diversified across large, medium, small, and international companies, plus real estate. This portfolio is designed for long-term growth, and it's built for those who can handle the ups and downs of the market. You'll likely see bigger swings, but over many years, this strategy is designed to maximize returns. In the middle, you have the moderate and moderately aggressive and moderately conservative portfolios. These are balanced approaches, mixing stocks and bonds to find a sweet spot between growth and stability. A great option for many people who are saving for goals that are a few years away, like a down payment on a house. Beyond the core options, Acorns also offers a few other choices. The ESG portfolios, for example, are for those who want to invest in companies with a focus on environmental, social, and governance issues. It's a way to align your investments with your personal values. The most important thing to remember is that Acorns provides a portfolio that is professionally diversified for you. You don't have to pick individual stocks, which can be a huge headache for beginners. They do the rebalancing automatically to keep your portfolio on track with its target allocation. This set-it-and-forget-it approach is a big part of what makes Acorns so popular. So, how do you choose? Think about your timeline. If you're saving for retirement 30 years from now, you can likely afford to be more aggressive. If you need the money in a few years, a more conservative approach might be smarter. Acorns will give you a recommendation based on the questions you answer when you sign up, but you can always change it later. Understanding what's in your Acorns portfolio is a great first step toward taking control of your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.